Hi again. The next project on the Porsche is to install the airbag deactivation bar. The 996 works in a way where you have to install an additional unit underneath the passenger seat, where you plug in a thing to stop the airbags from working. Well, the 997 models, you could just turn them on with your key. I've already purchased a used bar, which looks like this. The point of this is that you install this underneath your seat, and then when you have a Porsche child seat, you plug the clip into here, and then the bag or airbags are deactivated. I'm not going to use a Porsche seat, so I bought this little thing, and it's just a clip, but the Porsche clip looks a little bit different, so I need to cut out a little piece here in the middle, because now when I plug it in, it won't latch. So what I need to do is to cut a little cut in the middle, so it looks like the Porsche clip. I'm gonna use this thing, and then luckily the guy I bought it from gave with the original clip here. So now I just need to go underneath the seat, locate the original clip, and then plug it in there, and then it should work fine. I'm not going to actually activate the bar, since I'm not going to use the seat anyways, or the Porsche seat. So I'm just going to unclip this from the bar, plug it in, and then cut this and insert it when I have the seat in, and then take it out when I don't have the seat in. And then everything should work fine. Sorry about the bad focus here. One more thing. Oh yes. When I had the Porsche in for changing the servo pump, then I got the service technician to activate the child seat. So when I turn on the car now, it already has an airbag warning light, because it thinks I have this bar installed, so that I can just unplug the battery, and then everything should work fine when I install it. Alright, I cut the groove with this, then I filed off the rough edges and sanded the tips a little bit. I didn't measure it, so it's not perfect, but it does its job. So I can just keep this in my glove compartment, just put it in when I have child seats in, take it out when I don't, and it should work perfect. Then it's ready installed. I just unclipped this clip and slid the thing off, slid this off the bar. So now I have the wire, this thing, and my freshly made clip. So I'm just gonna find a way to zip tie this to the bottom of the seat and plug this in, and I should be good to go. Battery is now unconnected. I have the thing here with a couple of zip ties, and let's see if we can film anything underneath the seats. You can kind of see one clip under here that is open in the middle of the picture. That fits the looks identical to the thing that was on the bar. I'm just gonna attach it here. I mentioned that the battery is already disconnected, of course, so the airbags won't go off randomly. Connect it, zip tie it, and it should be done. Battery is now connected. no airbags has gone off. If we peek in here, we can see the buckle. Kind of hard to tell on the black interior. You can see the buckle barely sticking out underneath the seat. I just zip tied it to the end of the seat there. Seat is at its lowest position now. And it's still very easy to just not see, but to plug in, oops, the clip here. So when the baby seat's installed, have it like this, take it out, take this out. What I noticed in the display was that when I turn the car on with the clip in, then the light is actually blinking the whole time, which is slightly annoying, but that shows that the airbags are disabled. When you take it out and then start the car or turn on the car again, then it does not blink. Project done.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.